Macedonia in English. Just about everything you want to know.
President Ivanov meets Austrian counterpart Fischer. Austria's President Heinz Fischer held a meeting with his Macedonian counterpart Georgi Ivanov in Vienna, in which he called on the Macedonian political leaders to find a way out of the current political situation through compromise and to focus on the set Euro agenda of Macedonia, voicing his hopes they will do so. Ivanov's cabinet said the Macedonian president comprehensively informed Fischer about the internal political situation in Macedonia as well as his engagement to overcome that situation. The meeting lasted 45 minutes, 30 more than planned. Fischer said he was satisfied with the frequent meetings with Ivanov, which show the positive trend of the friendly relations between Austria and Macedonia. Austria's president stated that his country is a traditional partner of the Western Balkans countries and primarily a strong supporter of Macedonia's Euro integrations. According to Ivanov, the frustrations in Macedonia's society resulting from the failure to give the country a date to start accession negotiations influenced to a certain extent the strained political climate in the country.